In this Acorns review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really save and invest in the stock market with this app over here. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Acorns is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So Acorns is basically an investing app. You can basically invest in the stock market, but the catch is that using this app, you can be doing all this investment with pretty much everything automated. So Acorns is not for advanced investors. It's basically for beginners. So if you are very new to the stock market and you don't know how to save and invest, and you have pretty much no idea how to do it, or maybe if you want to automate your investing, this is where Acorns help you. So Acorns is not for advanced traders, but it's mainly for people who are new to stock market investing and all that stuff. So that's how that's just the basic introduction to Acorn. So that's how it works. I'm going to tell you how much you can be making if you just make. Okay, suppose your initial deposit is about $100, and if your contribution monthly is going to be just $50, let's keep this $0. Okay, this is $50. If you do it monthly, and if you do this for just 40 years, let's calculate. Usually in the stock market you can get anywhere around 12 to 15%. I'm going to type in 12. So let's calculate the estimate. I'm going to have almost $588,000 after 40 years. So that's how much money you can be making through the stock market by investing. So if it's 30 years, I could be potentially making $174,000. So remember guys, most people in their 30s, they really don't have $100,000 in the bank. The maximum, the most people will have is like $30,000 to $40,000. But with investment like stock market, you could be potentially making more from your returns. And the thing about Acorns is that you cannot potentially invest on your own. You won't be investing on the stocks, individual stocks, but you're going to be probably investing for the ETF. So ETF means exchange traded funds. So it's basically a portfolio in which you will be investing in a large number of stocks. So you won't be investing in a singular stock because you could be potentially ending up in a loss, which is why this company right over here will invest all of your money in a way that it's a fraction of the stock of every other stock. So this is called ETF. So that's how it works. So, and the good thing to remind is that when what you are going to do is you're going to be connecting your bank account with Acorns, and what will happen is that every time you do a transaction, maybe if you're buying groceries, or maybe you are buying some goods, or maybe you are filling your petrol, when you're doing certain things, what they will do is they'll check the transaction amount. Suppose it's like $4.55. What happens is they will round it off to $5. So if you minus the $4.55 and $5, it is going to end up with 0.45 cents. So 45 cents is going to automatically go to Acorns, and they will automatically invest in the ETFs. So you don't get to choose you can get to choose the ETFs, which is 5 preset ETFs that they have already kept. So your money automatically goes there. So that's how it works. So suppose you're buying a carrot, and if the carrot costs 10 cents, you're going to save 90 cents as your investment to your investment portfolio. So if you are doing petrol, and if your petrol cost $3.75, then 25 cents is going to go to your investment account, which is actually pretty good. So for people who don't have the capability or the discipline to actually save your money and invest in the stock market, Acorns is a pretty good website, and you can pretty much save your portfolio to Acorns automatically without even realizing. So these expert build portfolios. So the thing is that these ETFs are managed by the top class business investors, and the ETFs is already there. So you pretty much don't have to actually choose an individual stock and put decision. You don't really have to take decisions or anything like that, because experts have already made the ETFs in such a way that it's pretty much safe if you invest in it. For the past 100 years, all these ETFs have been making excellent amount of money. So that's how it all works. I would like to show you what other people have said about the product. So let's go to App Store. So most people trade in the Apple download from the Apple App Store, and it has got almost 1 million ratings and almost 4.7 star reviews. So this is like one of the best finance app in the App Store itself. It's hashtag 54, so it's one of the best apps. It has almost very good reviews. So out of 5 star, you get almost 4.7 star reviews, actually pretty high, especially if you have almost 1 million ratings. So overall, there is not much to say about Acorns, as everyone has had pretty good reviews. And I also want to show you another review website, which is Trustpilot, but unfortunately they don't have much reviews on Trustpilot. They only have a 2.5 star review. So anything below 4 star reviews on Trustpilot is not actually trustable. The thing is that when people find issues, they went straight to Trustpilot, and they have complained quite a few. So if you filter it by the 1 star, so what people are generally saying is that they are not able to get their referral income. So some people have had people referred to, and they were not able to get their money back. So that's a very big problem. They don't really attend the referrals. So once they make money with referrals, they are not willing to actually pay them, which is actually a problem. And also their customer service is not that great because they are not replying to them. So when they want to stop using Acorns, when they want to decide to stop using Acorns, and when they contact the customer support, they're actually not replying, and you get charged for the Acorns monthly subscription. So that's also a problem. But remember guys, this is just a fraction. There is 62% from only 494 people that have reviewed. So that's actually very low when you compare it to the App Store, which has almost got almost 1 million rating. So if you look at that aside, Acorn is a fantastic investing app for beginners. I also forgot to tell you guys that Acorns is only available in the US, and this is the pricing. So you have the pricing, let me see. Okay, so you have the bronze, you have the silver, and also the gold. So the bronze is $3 per month, silver is $6 per month, and the Acorns gold is $12 per month. You get some additional features in the silver, like you don't get any overdraft fees. You don't you can add your Acorns debit card to your digital wallet as soon as you create your account. You can do things like that. And you have additional features when it comes to the last pricing, which is the gold. So that's basically it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review of Acorns. If you're still in this video, and if you're wanting to make big money online, maybe if you're looking to make $1,000, maybe $5,000 and $10,000 per month. If you're looking to make big income online, and if you want to know my favorite strategy, which has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, if you want to access this free guide, make sure you click the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video.